Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And just yesterday, I made a video about the B-Spline tool and doing a blend. Somebody asked, could you blend three colors? Well, yes and no. You can make it work like I made it work here. We're going to take my black box and move it down here to the new line I've drawn. I'm going to make this line a little thicker so you can see it maybe in the video better. I'm going to make it maybe even a little bit bigger. So now we're going to take and hit the plus key on the keyboard and move the new one like that. And then we're going to hit the plus key again and move the new one. Move the new one. Well, everything's not cooperating. That's pretty good. That'll work. So now what we need, we're going to separate these a little bit. I'm having a little bit of trouble. Well, I don't want to change the spline. I want to move the actual work over. That'll work. So now what I want to do is change my to three colors. You can't blend but two colors, but let's see if we can make this work. Well, I know it'll work. I'm going to make that one blue by right-clicking. I'm going to make that one yellow by right-clicking. I'm going to leave the other one red. So now I can blend the two colors. I can, and this is a good exercise to use. Go to Windows, Dockers, and Object, or in some earlier versions, Object Manager. I'm going to get rid of all this so I don't have as much on the, so I've got a rectangle and three splines. And that might or might not help us because I can't really tell the colors. That's the yellow, that's the red, and that's maybe the blue. So I'm going to go blue. I'm going to hold down the shift key and select the yellow, and I'm going to go and I'm going to blend them. That's really too much because I made my line thicker. Let's just blend them like 10 times. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change the line back to hairline. I hope you can still see it. It'll give us a lot better effect. So selecting the blue, hold down the shift, I get the black box. You know what? I'm going to move the black box out of the way for a minute and then put it back. See, you can barely see the yellow. So I'm going to having a little bit of trouble. I'm going to select the yellow. See, this is where this is going to help. I'm going to select the yellow, and then I'm going to shift select. Well, I can't really tell if that's blue, so I'm going to shift select it there. And I'm going to go back to 20 times. And I'm going to hit apply. Yeah, it's not all that. Yeah, see, that's why I use the black box. Now what you need to do is select it all and go up to object and break the four objects apart, which is actually breaking the blend apart. And then grab that. I am going to bring the black box up. Grab that outside yellow line, hold down the shift key, and I know that's the red one, I think, and then blend them. Well, I didn't ungroup. So I thought I broke the blend apart when I broke. All right, we're going to ungroup them now. There we go. We got a lot of curves now. This is a little bit difficult, but it'll be well worth it when it's done. See if I can't grab that yellow. You know what I can do is go to lock and lock the black box so I can't grab it anymore. Grab that yellow, shift select the red, and hit apply. Now you have a three-color blend. Hope that answered the question. It's a lot of work in a way, but it's not. And you could have many colors. You don't have to stop at three. That is a pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.